If you're feeling scared regarding the price action in the last couple of days, then keep watching this video, because in the next few minutes we're gonna go through many cryptos, and on every chart we're gonna see is it time to panic, what you should be buying, and what you should be keeping away from. Welcome to Cryptasic Park. We're gonna start with the big daddy, the prince of altcoins, Ethereum, to show you why in fact you shouldn't be worried at all. And I said that in one of our previous videos when we made top 5 cryptos for November 2021. Don't be alarmed if from these highs of around $4,700, $800 we retest $4,000. We just did that, nothing more. This is expected and extremely bullish. How can this be bullish, you might ask? So many answers to that question. If you want, for example, we can draw this line of support that's originating all the way from summer. In here we started this journey to the upside. In here we tested this trend line, making it first support. And right now, please guys, this is nothing alarming. As I said, extremely bullish stuff, because with this move Ethereum is preparing itself for higher grounds. But this is not the most important line. This line, at around $4,000, I would consider even more important. This was a high of May and a hard resistance in September. With this move, with this fall, many of you are scared because of it. We just retested this trend line and this trend line. This is extremely bullish stuff. Ethereum is poisoning itself for the higher grounds, and you will see Ethereum at $4,000 probably never again. Maybe in the distant future when the bear market comes, but you know, not a financial advisor, but I think you're catching the drift. And if you want me to zoom out the current price action, I will, just because moving averages are telling us exactly that. Yes, short-term trend is broken. This is the exact fractal that happened here, and vice versa. Why not expect something like this one more time? Next few days, life beneath this 21 exponential moving average, and then when we're back above it, oh boy, it's going to be an explosion. Because remember that we haven't even touched this crucial line of 144 exponential moving average like we did in this area. Now it's possible today 144 is standing at $3,647. It's possible that we go to that area one more time, maybe not now, maybe in the future, in a couple of days, even weeks, when that moving average will be at higher grounds. Maybe after that retest, you will witness just the thing that I just talked about. Bump into the 144 here, and then move to the much higher ground. All I have to say is, Ethereum have my thumbs up. Although it could go lower, although shorter trend is bearish, this is looking good. Now off to the next chart. This is DigiByte, and I know that many of you old school Kryptonians love this coin, so I put it on the list. This is not looking so bullish as Ethereum did, but it's not looking so bad. The major trend line of support, that, let's say, mini uptrend, is not broken at all. You can see that DigiByte is following this support line to the teeth. We just retested it one more time, nothing scary. And by connecting these highs, we are getting what? Many lines of resistance, giving us one big, huge ass symmetrical triangle. Those could break to the upside or to the downside because of the fierce bull market that is ahead of us. I believe DigiByte will go to the upside. That's it. Pretty simple stuff. This is just moving sideways. And you can see that if you plot this, for example, 144 exponential moving average, we are whiplashing below, above, indicating consolidating phase. We haven't found a clear resistance, clear support. 89, 55, all in the middle of price action. At the moment we are below it, so short term DigiByte is bearish. But that's the case with the rest of the guys. If you want to be exact, when you see DigiByte hanging above 5 cents, for example 6 cents, and finding clear support on those levels, then you will be given that proof that DigiByte is again bullish and that it will go to higher levels. Until then, keep your coolness and follow me to the next chart. What you're looking at is a coin named Aidos Kuneen, fairly unknown one, and one of you guys requested this coin a few months ago, very long time ago, and I said, what the hell, let's see what's happening right now with this one. Yeah, it's a kind of messy stuff. From that June, it is kind of establishing a higher low at this level, but now this is getting wild and unpredictable. Now this guy established this wild pattern itself, this megaphonial moves. It is wild in itself. It's really nothing to rely on. Support, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. And yeah, who knows what the next move will be. This is low cap, as I said. Wild ride. Does it have a bright future? I wouldn't bet on it. And today it jumped from 68 cents to $1.18. Jesus, this is pump. Will it be dump? Well, we'll see. If you're holding Aidos, this is what I have for you. 144 exponential moving average is giving it a resistance right now as I'm filming this. So until this coin, if you believe in this project, which I wouldn't comment on because I'm not familiar with it, it still doesn't hold any bullish signs on it. The big daddy 144 is above it, and until that is the case, there is nothing to see here. There we have 89, there we have 55. Look at this. They're all battling this huge pump, and the possible outcome will be maybe a huge dump. Who knows? Because it's not easy to break those levels just like that and move to the higher grounds with conviction. Be very careful with this one. I never said this is gonna be a pretty mashup of coins in this crypto technical analysis. And I think I got more bad stuff coming your way, okay? Let's make it realistic, not pretty. Follow me to the next chart. Utrust. Well, do you trust this coin? It's holding okay. You know, after this low in the summer of this year, it established this higher low, which is a good sign, long term. It still got many battles to battle, and I'm gonna draw something like this as a crucial resistance right now at this coin. So all of this area hold big significance. You can see that we have few spikes above it, but very firmly and very fast we moved below the trend line. Until we break the trend line, there is nothing to discuss about Utrust. But overall, why I said it's holding okay is because of this 144 exponential moving average, which right now is doing what? Giving us one more time a fair support. And you can see how significant this moving average is to UTK. UTK. Imagine me not knowing how to spell. This is really the line of life, and that on UTK we fell below, a few times below this line, but you can see that it holds a magnetic power, let's say. And right now we are battling that 89 and 55 above it. We are right in this dangerous territory. At the moment of filming this video, we are right on the borders. Of course, we got the big one, 144 on our side, but it's getting really tight. If 144 will not hold this pressure, then you know it could get very, very ugly. On the other hand, if those two guys get loose, we could move to the higher grounds. Final level that I want you to keep a close eye on is 40 cents. After we get above 40 cents, but with momentum, not slowly and wimpy, Utrust will move much higher. Let's go to the next chart. Our next pick would be Golem, not pick. I just randomly put them like spaghettis in this video for you to see the bad sides and the good sides. GLM, Golem, it's kinda looking okay, and it's fighting its battles. I mean, look at this level. Let's say 65 cents, crucial level of resistance. Touch, 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 touch. Now this is a clear picture on Golem. If we break 65 cents, and for a few days you see price action above it, you will know that it's time to put on that rocket suit and on board on the rocket. Till then anything is possible. But I believe in a bullish scenario on this coin because of this kinda upward sloping line of support. So from the upside you got that 65 cents, from the downside you got many touches here, 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 and right now we are making higher lows into the constant pressure of fixed support, fixed resistance of 65 cents. So eventually my bet would be that it will be breaking to the upside. Got it? And 144.89 exponential moving average, they are holding my story, we are above it. This is a good setup, now that I'm clearly looking at it, and it's big moving averages. Around at 50 cents, from 48 to 51, Golem has a clear support. This is good stuff. Let's cheer for this guy, he got some chances, and let's see if that is the case with the next one. Now I swear to God, I didn't handpick this one to look bad as it could be, but this really looks bad as it could be. Genesis Vision, ladies and gentlemen. A long time ago someone also requested this coin. At that point it was many months ago, pretty nice. This is looking terrible. I don't know what happened here. You guys that are following Genesis Vision, I bet you know what happened. Well, this could be the death of a coin that we are witnessing right now from the last month. Look at this support that was broken as bad as it can be broken. GVT formed this symmetrical triangle that unfortunately, if you hold it, broke to the downside. Now I believe in my price prediction. When we made that video, I gave you higher grounds, not expecting something like this to happen. A black swan. I don't know what happened. Team ran away or what. They scammed investors or what. I don't really know. So I don't want to talk about this. Maybe it will recover, although it's not looking like it will recover ever practically. Look at this. 144 exponential moving average was giving us a hint of something like this happening, because look at this huge resistance that was here for months. July, August, September, October, and then this. Yeah, this coin had problems many months before this October, now that I look at it. And look at this, even the big one that we randomly caught, 233 days exponential moving average, is doing this. Yeah, would I advise you to have anything to do with this GVT coin? Not really. Maybe they will recover, we don't know that for now. This is not looking so promising. And yeah, it's not a good time for this kind of stuff, but just look at this waterfall of moving averages to the downside. Only one word: yikes. Let's see if we can find some comfort in the next one. Well, it's not so bad as versus the previous one, but yeah, not comfort either. This is Synthetix, SNX. This line of resistance is holding the coin down and is doing a pretty darn good job about it. You can see it, the real shackles in the crypto space. So on the daily chart there is no clear uptrend. The only thing clear about it could be a downtrend. Or if you want some hopium, maybe this falling wedge, which should play it out to the bullish side at some point. But I believe that right now I'm just giving you hopium, not the real stuff. And let's remove it like this to give you even more hopium. Yeah, this could be the case. Falling wedge that will eventually break to the upside, but does it look bullish right now? It really doesn't. If you want to take out my guessing about this pattern, well, that's why we have those moving average, which I can do nothing about. And behold, in all of its glory, where that moving average is huge resistance, which pushed the price lower and lower. $10, ladies and gentlemen, until we break $10, nothing to discuss about SNX. 89 also, 55, all the good guys are above. So on the daily chart, SNX is looking bearish. It's not the worst that we saw today, but it could be much better. As I said, until we break $10 with momentum and you see some strength, better keep away. And for more coins and more technical analysis, watch this video, watch latest Cryptasic Park, in which we also analyzed many coins, and as you can see, in which we never took any bias, bullish or bearish. We're just realists, simple dinosaurs, and that's all. See you in that one.